just after midnight, all 5 of us in the car. We're on our way to Kruger. Haven't done a mad 24-hour twitch like this in quite a while. And obviously Spur-winged Lapwing's our target. So, here we go.
With a 6-hour drive ahead of us, we settled in for the long haul.
Heading on for 10 to 5 in the morning. A little hint of dawn breaking in the clouds after a bunch of philosophical and other debates in the car on the way down. Everyone seems to have gotten tired and quite quiet, but we're about 2 hours from Kruger, so we plod on.
The road was in excellent condition for the entire drive.
And that's it, we're here at Punda Maria gate, just checked in, into the park. Spur-winged Lapwing, here we come.
There he is, what a bird. Can I see? Here you go.
So we're busy looking at Arnott's chat, which was for pretty much just about all of us one of our target birds. We've only been in Kruger for about 20 minutes. First bird in the bag, 712 for me.
Congratulations, Mr. Newman.
Yes.
Congrats.
Awesome.
Nice.
And there's a brew calling. White-browed scrub robin calling. Arnott's chat. Arnott's chat in the tall tree. The tallest tree.
Daai hierdie lang boom, hierso so 9 uur van julle, daai dikkerige boom. Hy sit seker so meter van die top af onder toe. Dis 'n bondpiek in Afrikaans. Ja, hy's pikswart man. Klein met 'n wit kroon.
Cool.
Cheers julle.
Bye. We've stopped for a family of elephants, including a baby. Yes, we're after lapwings and other birds, but you can't ignore a group of elephants. Just past the elephants, we got a group of endangered southern ground hornbill. Northern Kruger is a good place to see them, and good to see a family of them still around. It's a juvenile in the group as well.
But our main first target was of course Spur-winged Lapwing at Kloppenfontein Dam.
Got it.
Wait, I think I also got it, but now I've lost it.
But look, is that a carcass there?
Yeah.
Just to the right of the carcass.
Oh, there you go. That's it.
Done.
Where?
Okay guys, let's go home.
Where is it? Oh, thank goodness. No, where is it? I've had enough.
The carcass.
There's a carcass
left
there
of the
on
carcass.
the right hand side.
On the far side of the bank, there's a carcass. It's just to the right of that.
Yeah, it's kind of hidden behind the embankment.
Oh, there it is. Show me.
That's now 713 for me. It's been a good day so far.
This is 663.
It's 482.
Krista, what number is it for you?
442 for me.
475.
Cool.
Yeah.
lovely great spotted cuckoo, fairly common in the north of Kruger. So far, Kloppenfontein Dam's been quite good to us. Lovely bird.
Wow, that's nice.
No, it's perfect. Yes, it's beautiful.
Will I be able to crop in? It's quite a...
It's still there. No, it's moved.
Do you think that's sharp enough?
We're busy looking at a Steerling's wren warbler.
Why?
Not a bird you get in the open normally this easily. So cracking views. Not a lifer for myself, but for a lot of the members of the group in the car. So awesome bird, was one of our targets we hope to get. So another one in the bag. We're at Pafuri picnic spot. Definitely time for something to eat. Been a long morning with just snacks in the car. And the guys are chatting to Mandla, the famous Pafuri picnic site guide. Been giving everyone some advice on what to see where. So yeah, time for a break, some food, and we'll crack on with some birding. Crooks Corner next. Can't wait. Should be good. Busy looking at a southern black flycatcher that's hanging around the picnic site, obviously trying to get scraps from the table. And fairly similar in appearance to fork-tailed drongo, often trips people up. It still has a bit of a fork in its tail, but this isn't square-tailed drongo here. Up here you won't get square-tailed. They're specifically a forest bird, and of course you can see with the dark eye that this is a southern black flycatcher and not either one of the drongos. We're busy looking at a wonderful scene. There's a dead buffalo or something to that effect in the river. Yellow-billed stork, woolly-necked stork are busy feeding on it, and obviously this rotting carcass of this animal in the water smells absolutely delightful. But you know, that's Kruger. Death, predation, cycle of life, all that stuff. Cool to see anyway. We're here at Crooks Corner. We just got lovely views of Collared Palm Thrush, probably 100 meters or so before the actual Crooks Corner lookout. But I mean, just have a look at how absolutely incredibly dry Crooks Corner is. I mean, that Limpopo River is just about completely empty. We're actually all gobsmacked. I mean, last year this was flowing strongly, but yeah, desperately in need of some rain in the park. Hopefully it'll come soon. You know, this is supposed to be a good rain year, so we'll see how it turns out. So you guys happy that was a relatively successful trip?
More than happy. It was great.
Yeah, it was awesome. That concludes our trip. We've just left Pafuri Gate. We'll pick up a few more birds on the way home. There's probably half an hour, 45 minutes of daylight. But yeah, I think everyone's just keen to get home. So, good day in Kruger. And the main thing was we got the Spur-winged Lapwing.
And so concluded an incredible trip covering 1,400 kilometers, netting lifers and rarities for the whole group and bagging us 124 species in just over 11 hours inside the park.